The Nigerian business community says it will comply with the provisions of the disability laws, especially in providing 5% employment opportunities for persons with disabilities, PWDs. The commitment was made at a conference in Lagos between members of the business community and the management of the National Commission for Persons with Disabilities, led by the Commission's Executive Secretary, Mr. James Lalu. Lalu said that in the public sector, the mandatory 5% employment opportunity quota for PWDs is captured in Section 28 and 29 of the Discrimination Against Persons with Disabilities Act. In achieving this, the Executive Secretary said the Commission had partnered with the Office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation and the Office of the Head of Service of the Federation. The second program, according to Lalu, is Bachelor of Science degree in Rehabilitation Management, expected to train intermediate rehabilitation experts that would provide rehabilitation services to PWDs at the community level. Lalu said the institutions would also run a degree program on assistive technology, BA Tech on assistive technology, aimed to train PWDs or any interested persons on design, manufacturing, assessment and administration of assistive technology for PWDs.
The provision of the disability law, especially in the area of providing employment opportunities, 5% employment opportunities for persons with disabilities, as well as accessibility in their relevant environment, as well as providing what we call reasonable accommodation in the workplaces for the disability community. So, based on this commitment, I saw a very, very charming business community. This involves a heavy business organization in the private sector, which include KFC, as well as MTN, Access Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, Unilever Nigeria PLC, Total Energies, and different other organizations. I think more than 57 business outfits were there in the conference, and they have all committed themselves to make sure that they comply with the provision of the Discrimination Against Persons with Disabilities Prohibition Act 2018, as well as the Eastern Regulation on Accessibility for Persons with Disabilities. That's simply to show you that we are coming forward in the issue of disability, and the necessary awareness have been created. How the communities are embracing the disability community is very, very awesome. They require the support of each and everybody. The National Commission for Persons with Disabilities also promulgated what we call a policy on standard operating procedures on access to education for persons with disabilities. This policy document is already on ground, and we are preparing a program for the launching of this policy document. We want to make sure that our educational system is properly accessible for persons with disabilities. Additionally, the National Commission for Persons with Disabilities has entered into a memorandum of understanding with 5 Nigerian universities, starting with the Nasarawa State University in Kefi, to start the Center for Disability Studies. The Center for Disability Studies is expected to run 5 different degree programs. The first degree program to be run is Bachelor of Engineering on Accessibility Engineering. This Bachelor of Engineering on Accessibility Engineering is our long-term plan to be able to produce experts, independent consultants who have the know-how to be able to assist in providing accessibility for persons with disabilities. Based on the provision of the regulation, it shows very clearly that all buildings from the start, they are supposed to engage the services of accessibility consultants. These accessibility consultants are supposed to monitor the building right from the design of the building up to the completion of the building, to make sure that these accessibility facilities and features are properly fitted, designed and fitted into the building up to the conclusion, before this building at the end of it will qualify for the issuance of the National Accessibility Compliance Certificate. The second degree program is about rehabilitation management a Bachelor of Science degree in Rehabilitation Management. This rehabilitation management is supposed to train intermediate rehabilitation experts that are supposed to provide rehabilitation services to persons with disabilities at the community level. This is something that we are lacking at the moment, and the manpower to provide this type of very important services are totally absent today in Nigeria. And therefore, we are starting this degree program to be able to produce these experts in the next 4 years. Additionally, the next degree program is about the Nigeria Sign Language degree program, a Bachelor of Art in Nigeria Sign Language. And this is a way, deliberate policy commitment to make sure that we produce sign language experts who are supposed to bridge the gap for the deaf community and the hearing world. By this, our mandate is to make sure that we employ and deploy sign language interpreters to all government offices, all hospitals, all courts, all police stations, and different places where services are being provided for the deaf community to have easy access to popular services at convenience to enable the disability community to carry it along in the entire system. The next degree program is on assistive technology. The Bachelor of Technology on Assistive Technology. The Bachelor of Technology of Assistive Technology here is try to train persons with disabilities or anybody who is willing to go through that degree program on the design, manufacturing, administration, assessment, and administration of assistive technology for persons with disabilities. The assistive technology has cut across different sectors for the deaf, for the blind, and persons with physical disabilities. How all of these assistive devices, as we did them, are supposedly to be custom made. Initially, when you have a disability, there is need for a proper assessment, proper measurement of your type of disability and what and how are needed for you before it is transmitted to the manufacturing center where an assistive devices can be manufactured, custom made for you to come and fit you exactly to manage your disability.